Hello, my dear students. How are you all? Are you doing well? So, today we are going to learn about our sixth chapter, Up Above the Sky. In your textbook, we can see a picture. Yes, a family including father, mother, and two children were watching the sky at night. What they can see in the sky? At night, we can see the moon and the countless twinkling stars. Do you know what are stars? Stars are heavenly bodies. Heavenly bodies means objects that are seen in the sky. So, stars are the heavenly bodies that shine in the sky. During daytime, what we can see in the sky? Say, children. Yes, during daytime we can see the sun in the sky. Sun is considered as a big star, and this big star produces light and heat of its own. But the moon have no ability to produce light and heat. It can reflect the sunlight that falls on it, so that we experience darkness during night. Okay, children, do you understand about stars? The next topic that we have to discuss is planet and satellites. Planets are heavenly bodies in the sky that revolve around the sun along a definite path. Totally, there are 8 planets. Teacher will show you the pictures of the 8 planets. Okay. The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Earth that we live is also a planet. So students, tell me which are the 8 planets in the solar system? Yes, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Let's discuss about satellite. Okay, satellites are heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. The moon is the satellite of the planet Earth. So next we are going to discuss about the rotation of the Earth. Okay. We all know that Earth rotates its own axis. While rotating, the path of the Earth, whether the sunlight falls, experiences the day and the other part experiences night. The spinning of the Earth on its own axis is called rotation, and it takes 24 hours to take one rotation. This is termed as one day. That means Earth takes 24 hours, that is one day, to complete one rotation. And this rotation causes day and night continuously. Okay, children? Do you understand? Now you know about the rotation of the Earth. Rotation is one of the movement of the Earth. Okay. Let's discuss about the another movement of the Earth. Do you know what is it? Yes, it is revolution. So, revolution is one of the another movement of the Earth. The movement of the Earth around the sun is called revolution. The Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to move around the sun once, and this is considered as 1 year. That means Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution. So, Earth's one revolution around the sun takes 1 year. Is it clear, children? Okay. So, it's time to wind up for today's session. Today, we discussed about the 6th chapter, Up Above the Sky. And we discussed the topic, stars, heavenly bodies that shine in the sky, about planets. Planets are heavenly bodies in the sky that revolve around the sun along a definite path, and about satellites. Satellites are heavenly bodies that revolve around planets. And also, we discussed about the movements of the earth, rotation and revolution. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Thank you.